Good morning, children. Today I am going to take the remaining part of the lesson Industrial Clusters in Tamil Nadu. The policy factors that helped the industrialization process in Tamil Nadu. The policy factors can be divided into three categories, three aspects. The first one is education, second one is infrastructure, third one is industrial promotion. Okay, let us see the first one, education. Industries required skilled human resources. Apart from a lot of attention to primary education to promote literacy and basic arithmetic skills, the state is known for its vast supply of technical human resources. It is home to one of the largest number of engineering colleges, polytechnics and industrial training centers in the country. Then infrastructure. The widespread diffusion of electrification has contributed to the spread of industrialization to smaller towns and villages in the state. Along with electrification, Tamil Nadu is known for its excellent transport infrastructure, especially minor roads that connect rural parts of the state to nearby towns and cities. A combination of public and private transport has also facilitated rural to urban connectivity and therefore connect small producers to markets better. Then industrial promotion. Apart from investment in education and transport and energy infrastructure, active policy efforts are made to promote specific sectors and also industrialization in specific regions. Policies to promote specific sectors like automobile, auto components, biotechnology and information and communication technology sectors have been formulated in the post-reform period. In addition, the state has put in place several industrial promotion agencies for both large enterprises and small and medium segments as well as to provide supporting infrastructure. The next one is, what are the following agencies that have played a key role in industrialization in the state? The first one is SIPCOT, that is State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu in the year of 1971. The SIPCOT was formed in the year 1971 to promote industrial growth. Then TANSED, Tamil Nadu Small Industries Development Corporation, the year of 1970. TANSED is a state agency of the state of Tamil Nadu established in the year 1970 to promote small scale industries in the state. The next one is Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation, TIDCO, the year of 1965. It is another government agency to promote industries in the state and to establish industrial states. And then special economic zones. A policy was introduced in April 2000 for the settling up of special economic zones in the country with the view to hassle-free environment for exports. Accordingly, the government has converted export processing zones located at the following places: Ennur, Coimbatore, Hosur, Perambalur, Auto City, Indo-Singapore and Biopharmaceuticals. Madras Export Processing Zone. The Madras Export Processing Zone is a special economic zone in Chennai. It is one of the 7 export processing zones in the country set up the central government. It was established in the year of 1984 to promote foreign direct investment, enhance foreign exchange earnings and create greater employment opportunities in this region. The Madras Export Processing Zone headquarters is located on GST Road in Tambaram, Chennai. The next one is Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation Limited in the year of 1949. It is extended to provide low-cost financial support for both setting up new units and also for expansion of existing units. And then Tamil Nadu Small Industries Corporation Limited, the year of 1965, to take over the small scale units that were set up and run by the Department of Industries and Commerce. Emerging services sector in Tamil Nadu. With the technological changes, industrials too are not able to absorb labor. Automation has been reducing the need for labor in manufacturing. The services sector has emerged as a much bigger employer over the last 3 decades. Tamil Nadu has become a hub for some important and dynamic service sector such as software services, healthcare and education services. Healthcare and educational services are diffused across major cities, Chennai and Coimbatore in particular. Software services is however largely confined to Chennai. Only in the last 10 years, a few software firms have moved to Coimbatore. Issues with industrialization. Tamil Nadu has emerged as a relatively highly industrialized state in the country. The state faces a new issues in sustaining the process. To begin with, some clusters, especially chemicals, textiles and leather clusters, tend to generate a lot of polluting that affect the health. And the issues requires urgent attention. Second, the employment generation potential has declined because of use of foreign technologies because of the need to compete globally. And then entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business process. He possesses management skills, strong team building abilities and essential leadership qualities to manage a business. And entrepreneurship. It is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. It is the ability to create, building something. What was the important role of the entrepreneur? The entrepreneurs plays a most important role in the economic growth and development of a country's economy. Okay, the 6 points. The first one is they promote development of industries and help to remove regional disparities by industrializing rural and backward areas. The second one is they help the country to increase the gross domestic product and per capita income. The third one is they contribute towards the development of society by reducing concentration of income and wealth. The fourth one is they promote capital formation by mobilizing the idle savings of the citizens and country's export trade. The fifth one is it provides large scale employment to artisans, technically qualified persons and professional and work in an environment of changing technology and try to maximize profits by innovations. The last one is they enable the people to avail better quality goods at lower prices, which results in improvement of their standard of living. These are the important role of an entrepreneur. Thank you.